Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we are talking about the Dollar General clearance event that's running from August the 1st to the 7th. So we have another week-long clearance event. I believe this is the third one they've done this year in this format. It must be really popular with shoppers because typically it's always a 3-day thing, but it's being extended. More time for us to find deals. So I really encourage you to scout your stores right off the bat. Is this worth your time and gas? Is this worth you taking that Friday the 1st off to go shopping? Yes or no? What type of inventory does your store have? Scout your store. We're also going to be looking at deals with digital coupons, and I'm recommending that you load these coupons now so you can have them on the 1st. We're specifically looking at clearance items with digital coupons in this video. And often with these events, they bring out gray totes with penny items. August the 1st is when it starts. It will not start on the 31st at midnight or whatever. It has to be the 1st around 5 a.m. It changes in the app, all the prices. And at a 50% off store, a dollar item will be 50 cents. At a 70 store, if you are so lucky to have one, it'll be 30 cents on a dollar item. So as it inches closer to the 1st, you're going to have to look for clearance event, signs at your store. You can also ask the cashiers, are you guys having a clearance event? They'll either know or they won't. And typically, if a cashier is very on top of everything going on, they'll know. And they'll probably know if it's a 50 or 70. They probably can tell you right off the bat. And those gray totes that they bring out for the event that has extra stuff from the back, sometimes those totes have pennies. So keep a real watchful eye out for that. And go to the clearance section. Go to areas that some of this stuff might be there. Scan the backs of the items. Is it clearance? Is it not? You never really know. But definitely worth, if you're right near a Dollar General, stop in, see what they have. Is this worth your time? Yes or no? Onto the video, we're just looking at digital coupons you need to load right now. So we have this 5 count of the WICK essential oils for $11.21. We have a $5 digital coupon. So after that, it's going to be 60 cents for this, which is an unheard of price point. So I'm going to show you the coupon here in a second. Load it today. Don't wait because you might not be able to load it starting on Sunday. And as you can see, it's valid till the 9th of August. So it's valid that whole time of the clearance event. If you could track down 3 of these Oral-B flosses, it's 60 cents for the 3, as we have a 5 off 3. There's also a $1 digital, so if you could only find one, that would be 80 cents for the one, because it'd be $1.80 at 50% off. Obviously, the 5 off 3 is the better one to load to try to roll the dice to find these in store. And I found a huge amount the last clearance event, and that was like really awesome. I was so happy to find so many of them. And just to show you, this is the 5 off of 3 that you're going to load, and it's valid till August the 2nd. So that's Saturday. These Lysol wipes, the 35 counters, are $1.57. We have a $1 digital coupon loaded, and this should be 57 cents. I think we're going to be getting some Clorox coupons next week too, and there were some like wet mop wipes that would be really cheap as well. Obviously, if you have a 70 store, a lot of these deals should be complete freebies. But I know that it's harder for a lot of us to find those 70 stores. And here's the $1 digital. You take this clearance event with a little bit of patience and you do your homework. It's very easy to do. This guy at 50% off with a $2.50 off coupon will be $2, and it's a double pack of the Febreze oils. So this is the coupon, or just to show you the UPC. Sorry, it's not completely in focus. But a lot of these plugs will be really cheap, and a lot of us are looking for the cheap oils. We like them to keep our houses all nice and clean. And we have a $2.50 for this one, and it's valid right till the 2nd. Yep. And there's also another $2 coupon for a Febreze fabric spray. I don't know what will attach with that right off the top of my head, but load it. We have nothing to lose, and there's $1 off too, which is basically a 50 cent. I don't think it's worth it, but this one I would definitely load this week. That's it. I'll be back the week before the clearance event starts with more matchups, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.